my ex. I lost my ex fell into water. I lost my ex. If someone can, please help me. Help me. I am very poor.
What happened, dear?
Who are you?
I am water goddess. Tell me, why are you crying?
I was cutting wood and my ex fell into water.
Not worry, I will try to find your ex. Is this your ex?
No, this is not my ex. This is made up of gold.
Is this your ex?
No, this is not my ex. This is made up of silver.
Is this your ex?
Yes, yes, this is my ex. Thank you, water goddess.
Wait. As he spoke truth, and I am pleased with your honesty. So I am giving you these two exes in reward.
While going back home, he showed his axes to his friend, who has a dishonest
Look,
person.
friend, water goddess, give me 2 axes.
Oh wow, I will also go there to cut some wood.
My ex, oh no, my ex fell into the water. Water goddess, help.
What happened, dear?
My ex fell into the water while cutting wood.
Don't worry, I will try to find your ex. Which one is you?
These two are mine. Why did you throw these?
Because you lied to me, and this is your punishment. Go back to home.
Moral